Today I'm sharing some healthy and delicious fruits that my conures absolutely love. Fresh fruits are a great way to provide vitamins, minerals, and hydration while also adding variety to their daily life. So let's see what my little conures are enjoying every day. We have pomegranate. Pomegranate is one of the healthiest fruits for conures. It is rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and fiber. These nutrients help support the immune system and keep your birds active and healthy. Most conures enjoy picking and chewing the juicy seeds. Since pomegranate contains natural sugars, it is best offered as a treat a few times a week rather than every day. Now let's move to cucumber. Cucumber is refreshing and contains a lot of water, making it a great choice during warm weather. It keeps conures hydrated and provides some vitamins and minerals. However, cucumber is not a rich nutrient as other fruits, so it should be given as an occasional snack rather than a major part of their diet. And here comes most popular fruits, apple. Apples contain fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants that supports oral health. Conures often enjoy and chewing on crunchy apple slices. A very important reminder, always remove the seeds before feeding apples to your birds and as seeds. Next is papaya. Papaya is packed with a vitamin A and vitamin C, which are important for healthy feathers, bright eyes, and strong immune system. It also easy to digest, and many conures enjoy its naturally sweet tasty. Papaya can be offered regularly in small portions as part of a balanced diet. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and love seeing my conures enjoying healthy treats, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my Beaks channel. See you in the next video. Bye everyone.